Hey Joan, it's Anthony, the individual you talked to yesterday. I was just getting this video over to you, just a quick website analysis and some tips on how you can improve your ranking and get more traffic driven to your website to convert more clients. This will only be about a 5 to 6 minute video, so there's some good information in here, but I want to start out with just a quick Google statistics. Of all the searches that are performed on the internet every day, 86.86 of them are performed through Google. There's 5.6 billion searches a day. We'll discuss these other statistics here in a minute. But I just want to point that out because people that are searching for businesses and services like you offer, and searching for things in general, that's where they go. They go to Google. So it's very important to make sure you're ranked on Google and your customers are seeing your business. But there's three things that Google looks at when they rank businesses and determine their authority, and that's the content on the web page, the citations, and the backlinking. The first thing we'll discuss is the content. So on your first page here, it looks like you got it's a good layout, and the services are nice. Shows the services that you provide, and just not a whole lot of words and content. So Google likes to see about 1,000 to 1,500 words on this front page, and all of those words just need to kind of go into more detail about the services that you offer, and you want to put the keywords that are searched for every single month by customers in that content, so Google can pick it up and realize that you're the ones that provide those type of services. So I'll definitely add more content and insert those keywords in that content so Google can help crawl your page, so it can help Google crawl your page and get those keywords ranked for you. The second thing we're going to do here is go to Google. If we type in water damage Nashville, which is one of the services that you provide, 90 people searching that a month, and it has a keyword difficulty of 8, which is pretty low, which means you can rank for it pretty easily and get traffic driven to your site. First thing that pops up are paid ads, and it's not bad to have these ads, but as you can see per the statistics, less than 10% of people actually click on those ads. 94% go to the organic search results. And by organic search results, I mean this map pack area where these three businesses are, and these top URLs down here. So it's important to get into this top map pack area, which, let me see here, you guys are actually on here. Nashville water damage repair, pretty sure that is you guys. Let's just, nope, that is not you guys. Sorry about that. So it looks like you guys are not in this map pack area. And the way that you go about getting in this map pack area is to increase the citations that you currently have. So citations are pretty much your business listings on online directories. That would be your website or your business name, your phone number, and your address listed on any online directory, such as Yellow Pages. Yelp would be considered a directory. Facebook. Getting those business listings would help Google determine that you're a valid business and move you up in this map pack ranking, which, like I said, provides statistically 44 to 61% of people click on one of those businesses when searching for that service. So definitely want to get up here to increase traffic to your website. Backlinking plays a part into this too, but it mainly plays a part in the URLs that pop up down here. So backlinking, easiest way to describe it is like a popularity contest to Google. It's business or web pages that are directing traffic to your web page. So they're linking to your website, other websites, and they need to be quality websites and authoritative websites. But as you can see here, Serve Pro South Nashville is number 1, BNS Cat's number 2, Home Advisors 3. They always give preference over local companies, so it's pretty easy to outrank Home Advisor and expertise and URLs like that. But this is a website I use to evaluate other websites. It's called Ahrefs. But when I plug in your all's information here, it shows that you have 245 referring domains, which is quite a lot of domains, but you're only being found for 4 organic keywords, and you're getting 0 traffic driven to your website every month. Your domain rating is also very low, which is usually pretty odd with so many referring domains. I noticed when we go into your domains here, you have a lot of spammy links that are pointing back to your website. All of these Google dot random letters, which you guys have pages of them, they're spam, and that's why Google is not giving your page authority over these other websites, because they're actually looking at your website more as a spammy website because you're getting links from spam websites. As you open it up here, you can see, I mean, this is a different language. Usually anything that has a different language that is tying back to your website means that it's a spam site. And all of these are in a different language, and anything Google dot something that isn't Google.com is more than likely spam. But that's the first thing I just wanted to kind of point out to you guys. You want to disavow those links, so you're not having so many spammy links come into your website, because it's bringing down your domain rating, and Google's just not really looking at you as a legitimate website. They're looking at it more spam, so they're not putting you in the rankings that very high, and it's causing your traffic to be low. But you're only also getting found for 4 keywords, so like I said, the content situation and adding more content and those keywords to your website would help with increasing the keywords that are found. But you are being found for water damage. Here it's just you're not ranking. You're on pretty much the 3rd or 4th pages, which is bringing you 0 traffic, and that's about 140 or so people searching a month that you could be getting clients from if you were to rank higher in the Google rankings and grab that. But I just wanted to show you your competitor here. They only have 59 referring domains, which is way less than you guys. But their domain rating's higher, and they're getting found for more keywords, and they're actually driving 133 people to their website every single month. So when you come into the organic words here for them, go to their position. Obviously, their name will be the thing they're getting found for the most. But they're in the top 3 for the water damage, which is driving traffic. Here they're in the number 2 position. Here they're in the number 3 position. Some restoration stuff, but being in like I said, that first page in top 3 positions is the best, because per statistics, only 4% of people go to the 2nd page when they search for something, and 75% of people click on one of these top 3. So they're setting good on those keywords because they are in those top 3, and that's what's helping drive traffic to their site. And it's specific keywords that customers are searching for. If you're searching for water damage Nashville or water damage restoration Nashville, you're probably looking for a company to provide some services for you. So it's definitely important to rank for that so you can grab those clients. But that's pretty much all the tips that I have. I'll send this video over, and my information will be at the bottom with my name and email and phone number. Go ahead and implement these tips so you guys can help rank better and get more traffic to your website. And if you feel I can help you with any of this, feel free to reach out. But I appreciate your time.